In this video, I'll show you how to create a WordPress website from scratch, perfect for beginners. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on building your online presence. First, go to wordpress.com and either sign in or sign up. If you're new, follow the registration steps to pick the plan that fits your needs, whether it's a free basic site or a premium plan with more features. Once logged in, you will land on your WordPress dashboard, also called My Home. This is the hub where you'll manage your entire site. Start by customizing your site's theme. Themes determine the look and feel of your website, so pick one that matches your brand or personal style. Next, give your website a name. This name should reflect the purpose of your site and make it easy for visitors to remember. You can always change it later, but starting with a strong name is helpful. After naming your site, it's time to write your first post. This is your introduction. Welcome your readers or customers and give them a glimpse of what your site offers. Don't forget to add images and videos to make your posts engaging and visually appealing. Finally, it's time to launch your site. Before hitting the launch button, double check your site title, posts, and design to ensure everything looks perfect. Once launched, your website is live and visible to the world. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully created a WordPress website. Keep exploring and customizing to make your site truly yours. Happy website building!